Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Co-Operative Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Co-Operative online banking. Now click on this first website over here. Now, enter a username. If you want to stay logged in even after you get back, simply click on Remember My Username. And if you have forgotten your login details, click on Forgotten Your Login Details over here. And simply click on Next. Now enter the password. Now, you need to enter the second and fifth digit of your security code as per it is asked over here. Simply enter it. And if you have by chance forgotten any of this, simply click on Forgotten your login details to reset it. Now simply click on Continue, after which you will get into Co-Operative Bank interface. So this is all you can do to log into Co-Operative Bank. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.